morning, another wonderful day at Driftland, home of drifting in the UK. So you might notice I'm in the Ranger this morning rather than my normal car, and the Ranger has got a trailer on it with a barn find that I picked up last night. So Mr. Michael Delaney, good close personal friend of mine, put me on to a little car that's been sitting in a driveway for the last 8.5 years, and it hasn't moved. It's not been on the road since 2010, so I thought I'd pick it up and work out and see, can you drift a barn find? So this little barn find is an MX-5 in red, so 95-96. Some smashing welding down here, and it's not your normal MX-5, it's actually a Eunos Roadster with a sporty exhaust. So it's Eunos Roadster. It's actually a 1.8 Eunos Roadster as well, so I have no idea if that makes it powerful or not. It's definitely not looking particularly roadworthy with that welding down at the back of the sills. The brakes have seen better decades. Good tyre though. Look at that. We'll get that pumped up. The luggage rack is lovely. The hood's actually in really good condition. Yeah, that's not too bad. Now, because this is a Eunos, I think this comes with a Torsen LSD fitted. There's no easy way to test that by spinning wheels like you would do with a normal BMW type LSD. The only real way is to take a half shaft off and have a look inside, or go and do a skid. So I think that's my plan, just to get off the trailer, do the bare minimum and see how it drifts. Inside, that's cool. Momo steering wheel looking OEM, Momo gear knob. It's quite funky. So cool, I'm going to get it off the trailer, pump up the tyres, take it for a skid. Right, so that's that ready to come off. Let's see if we get her started up. Have a look in the boot. Right, battery will need a jump, but I think it's maybe something I need to fix before I drift it. So I might actually have to do some preparation. And these tyres are flat. They've got pretty big cracks in the side. That one might blow up, but this one, it's definitely got a couple of little holes in them, so I'm gonna have to change this guy, which is upsetting me. So I might have something the same size. All in all, that's a wee bit more prep than I was planning on doing, but I was planning on doing nothing, to be honest. So let's get the barn find into the garage. So initial signs seem pretty good, well, in that it's driving. I've got 2 flat tyres, but I've got a clutch. I can change gear on this lovely wooden gear knob. Yeah, promising. The engine's running nicely now. It took a little while to start there, but it's only started twice now in the last 8 years, so that's pretty cool. I don't know how it's managing to use whatever fuel's in it, because whatever fuel's in it must be ages old. So yeah, pretty good. As suspected, this tyre is absolutely knackered, but I found another one which is a Semperit Speed Comfort. What more could you want? So I'll get this reluctantly changed over. Speed Comfort fitted. Lovely. Back on the deck. Job 1 of 2 off the list. Now to have a little look at fitting this guy properly. So battery now a bit more firmly repaid using many cable ties. Who knows how I'll get to the earth terminal there, but I'll work that out in a minute. And then I even surprised the car with a little fluids check under the bonnet. Look at the mighty 1.8 engine, should be 128 horsepower there. And I've just got a little top up of the cooling system, even though it didn't really need it. Oil level was fine. So I think we are ready to get out on track. I have no idea if that's good or not, but it doesn't look that great. Sure, it'll be fine. Meh, it's just water. Well, this could be interesting. So this car's not really moved for 8 and a bit years. I've pumped up the tyres, but that back one there has already got massive cracks in it. So I've only put 40 psi in it, that's as much as I can risk. I've changed the front tyre, I've checked the oil and water, I've cable tied the battery back so it's perfect. I think this has got a Torsen LSD. I don't know quite what that does. It stands for torque sensing, so it'll probably go, oh my god, there's torque going here. Not let me do a skid. I've got a handbrake, which, see that? That's working on one wheel. That might be interesting. Got 5 gears. Got the famous MX-5 steering characteristics. I've got to watch out for a massive brake line failure. Obviously the flexes haven't been changed for almost a decade. Yeah, so brake failure, critical suspension component failure, tyres exploding, massive amount of fluid on track. Those are all the bad things. The good things are managing to do a skid and not dying. So not dying, doing a skid, everything else over there. Well, let's give it a shot. Let's see how she goes. Love to say she was quick, but that would be a lie. There's definitely stuff in the cabin here. Oh no! Fast. Yeah, we've got one wheel locked up. Oh no! Yes, we've got some oversteer. Yes, it's still straighten up. Woo! Here we go. There we go. Yes, inner wheels got up to all sorts. My seatbelt's coming undone a bit. Hold on for dear life. We're out of track. Well, handbrake again. Oh, right like a champ. Oh, clutch not happy about that. There we go. Yes. So I've got some oil pressure. I've got some temperature. Water temperature's fine. I've got about a litre of fuel. Right, this is not going to be the same as my M3 video of can you do a backy? I'll be just, can you not fall off the end of the world? Oh, the handbrake doesn't work. Shouldn't use a handbrake in an MX-5 anyway. Sorry, Gerbs. Into a second. Oh, big. There we go. Oh, who knows? Oh, right we go. Oh, I held on to the wheel. Right. son. It's not a welder. Oh, power over. Woo! Oh my god. Oh god, everything seems to work pretty well for a road car, for a drift car. Not really. Poor clutch. Some sort of something in the cabin feels like some sort of clutch death. Oh. Come on, Rage, you go, come on! Come on! Come on! Oh, so bouncy! Oh, so bouncy! Oh. Oh, remember it's not moved for 8.5 years, and this is the first thing that's happened to it. Oh, that's terrible news for it. The clutch does nothing. Well, that is an experience. Oh, look. Sweaty. Guys, thank you very much for watching me dicking around for 5 minutes out there. I hope you enjoyed. I would call this a massive success. Give me a like on the video if you thought that was successful. We've got a car which we picked up. It's been sitting in a driveway for nearly 9 years. Stuck some new tyres on it on the front, on that one corner, put some water in it, tightened the battery down, jump started it, kicked his face in. It survived. I've still got a clutch, I've still got gears, I've got as much no handbrake as I had before, got some steering. That went well. What a robust little car. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. To be honest, between you and me, I think I'm just going to sell it because it seems like it's a nice car. Do you want to buy it? Give me 500 quid and you can have it. Perfect little 1995 1.8 MX-5 Mazda Eunos Roadster, coming soon to a driveway near you. Hopefully not for 8.5 years. Guys, if you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel. If you have subscribed to the channel, which I know a lot of you guys are starting to do now, thank you very much. It means a lot. Thank you very much for putting up with my content. I've got a little bit of an outside shot this time, just a little static shot, because I produce these, I film these, I come up with these, I edit them, upload them, give them to you guys all by myself. So it's a one-man sort of effort for these, and I quite like that feel. So we'll see if the outside shots are any good this time. Drop me a little comment if you like the outside shot, and hopefully see you guys in the next one soon. See you later. Christ, well, I think an update for you. I might have made the car a bit too cheap because it's sold already. Lauren is picking up the car this week, so she is going to look forward to it. She's hopefully going to make a couple of modifications, put some skinnier tyres on the back, maybe change the suspension, because I've watched the footage back now and I do a lot of bouncing around. Maybe put weld the diff in place of that Torsen diff, get some money back as well, that'd be cool. But hopefully she has an amazing time in the car and get started skidding at Driftland. Our next drift date is on the 27th of January. By the time you guys have read this, I'll have done quite a lot of calendar stuff, so look on our Facebook page, look on our website, we'll have the calendar update for you guys. And apart from that, thanks very much for watching it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's see what I get up next time. Please subscribe, hit that bell button just below, get notifications on the channel, see when the new content is out, and I'll see you guys soon.